You're looking at a FlashForge 3D Creator Pro. Here is the items Amazon had it listed. That is the correct ASIN number right there. Bingo. All right. It's sealed. There's your parts box, one of them. It's sealed. That is sealed. This one here as well. Never used, never opened. And this is the packaging one. Let me get this back for you. You can see what I see. All right. Get up there, buddy. All right. And your glass plate will be in here. And then this stuff is sealed, packaged nicely. The manuals and all that stuff. Brand new, man. Brand new, ready to go. No dings, no scratches, anything like that. And you get a full manufacturer's warranty on this inside your paperwork, and you'll get a lifetime support. So this is a Creator Pro FlashForge, and it's brand new, sealed. You go to Amazon, and at Amazon this thing sells for, that's another unit I just sold. Amazon sells it for $8.99. That's exactly the one I have. If you enter that ASIN number, this is what pops up. That's what I have. It gets an Amazon choice. What's that? 4.5 stars. Tremendous. I'm putting it on eBay right now. $7.49. Bid lower. I might take lower, but it is brand new, sealed, never used. Check out this video. I will ship it inside a box. Looks like Amazon shipping is not that good, but the item is perfect, never used. Thanks.